Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. So for the tree, we just drew a circle. That's our big shape. Our middle shape is the trunk. And our small shapes are the branches. And then we just added patterns, right? And so the patterns just treat our leaf shapes like this. So you can just add them everywhere you want. And to make a forest, you just draw this over and over again, right? So we can add some smaller trees. Add leaves there. And do you guys remember the other lesson that we had before is when you repeat shapes? So if you have a big shape here and you repeat this shape seems like it's far away, right? When things are far away, they're smaller. So if you want to have lots of trees, you can make them smaller. Let's connect a line. And now it looks like a forest. So you can make a bunch of circles in the background that are small. And now you're drawing a forest. Okay, so I want you to practice drawing your forest. You can also put leaves on the ground. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to add to your forest, okay? So you can use any shape you want. You don't have to always use a circle. You can use triangles. You can use rectangles. You can use these kind of rectangles. You can use any kind of tree that you want. So they're just simple shapes, right? And sometimes you can even use multiple triangles. And for branches, you can just add on to the small shapes. And you add patterns at the end, right? So let's spend 2 minutes drawing more trees with different shapes. So you want to draw the big shape, but now you can use more than just a circle. You can use triangle and rectangles and squares, okay? Ready, set, go. At the end, you can add a pattern onto your tree. Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.